Hello, my name is Malte Kofka. I'm Managing Director of MÜNZING CHEMIE, GmbH and CFO of the MÜNZING Group. We generate almost 300 million euros in turnover, are active at 5 production sites worldwide. Our challenge is to develop solutions together with our customers to improve their applications. We make specialty chemicals and develop products together with our customers at our 5 technology centers worldwide. Our biggest challenge is to remain competitive on a global scale. For this reason, we decided many years ago to establish various production sites in the countries where we are active, and we are active around the world. To manage this level of complexity, we had to digitalize and standardize our processes. This only works in collaboration with outstanding software solutions. In ProLeiT, who we've been working with for many years, we've found an excellent partner. The main global challenge we face is establishing secure processes. We need to ensure that product quality at our other sites matches the standards we've consistently achieved in Europe and America for generations. To help with this, we utilize software, a production control system that can be applied at all our sites, thereby allowing us to easily transfer processes, recipes, and products quickly between various production plants. Our vision is inspiring passion for sustainability. What does this mean? Our solutions are intended to help us optimize the applications and products of our customers, and we constantly aim to think in terms of generations while developing sustainable products for future generations. Our goal is to be CO2 neutral by 2040 and free of CO2 emissions by 2050. The only way to achieve this is by establishing good digital solutions at our plants. Due to the various production sites we've established over the past few years, we need to ensure that we produce as paperlessly as possible, while utilizing digital processes in such a way that our various systems, including an SAP system, ultimately communicate with production on a global scale and in line with cutting-edge standards. And we've achieved this through the launch of ProLeiT at all our production sites.